Stop! Are your earbuds uncomfortable? You're not alone. Many face issues with fit and sound. Let's improve that. First, clean ears demand clean earbuds. Dirty ones harbor bacteria. A quick wipe prevents pain and infections. Ensure the right earbud goes in the right ear. Mismatches disrupt sound and comfort. Don't force earbuds straight in. Gently place and twist them. Stop if they cause discomfort. Select the right ear tips. Too small means they'll fall out. Too big means discomfort. They should feel secure, not tight. For wired earbuds, let the cable rest. Pulling tight causes discomfort. For neckbands, adjust for comfort. For wireless earbuds, insert them gently, twist, and secure. If loose, try different tips instead of forcing. Consider your ear shape. Smaller ears often need smaller tips. Larger ears may prefer foam for a snug fit. Active users should choose earbuds with wings or hooks for stability. Sensitive ears benefit from soft silicone or foam tips. Are earbuds safe daily? Yes. Wear them right, take breaks, keep volume low, and let your ears breathe. Correct wearing is essential. If discomfort occurs, check size or angle. Ear fatigue can happen. Take breaks if sore. A proper fit is key. If this guide helped, subscribe for more tips and share your favorite earbuds.